重複嚟支打個運人，打到埋個頭，重複嚟支。集會權利，打到運人，集會權利，集會權利，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，打到運人，打到運人。Right to assemble, yes, yes, yes. Illegal prosecution, no, no, no. 該平安，我權利。打到運人，打到埋個頭，重複嚟支，打到運人，打到運人，打到埋個頭，重複嚟支。集會權利，集會權利，集會權利，集會權利，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，集會權利，集會權利，集會權利，和平集會無罪，和平集會無罪，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控。Political prosecution. No, no, no. Right to assembly. Yes, yes, yes. 嗱，今日大家都知道係我哋818和平集會嘅權利被剝奪。當然，香港人喺2020年1月開始，警方已經係禁制所有集會。我哋今日俾人檢控。但係被告嘅係特區政府，被告嘅係律政司，被告嘅係警方，因為佢哋剝奪咗我哋嘅集會遊行權利，剝奪咗香港人應有嘅憲法權利。今日係為香港人嘅憲法權利嘅一場仗，為集會遊行權利之戰。當然，我哋睇到嘅係無數嘅政治檢控，我哋見證住香港嘅法治嘅法律淪為一個政治係報復、政治打壓嘅工具。我哋好痛心，因為除咗我呢件案之外，我哋睇到好多手足，佢哋嘅權利被剝奪，佢哋被政治檢控。好多手足而家入咗獄，我哋見證住香港法律越嚟越荒謬，初選都有罪，揀自己嘅初選候選人都成為一個顛覆國家政權罪。我哋睇到好多言論入罪，變咗顛覆意圖行為。我哋見到好多抗警暴嘅手足就係被佢打到坐監，呢啲我哋都睇住。我哋覺得好痛心，香港變成咁樣。我哋今日只不過係好多眾多嘅司法國抗爭其中一宗，我哋仲有好多條嘅抗爭要繼續行落去。咁希望香港市民，我哋大家繼續係高舉我哋自己應有嘅民主自由權利，繼續行落去。今年係牛年，我哋都要個個都好似牛咁。係硬頸，為民主硬頸，集會無罪，集會無罪，集會無罪，集會無罪，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控，反對政治檢控。Today our case is about the right assembly of the people of Hong Kong. Since January last year, 2020, there were the police ban all procession, and the Hong Kong people are deprived of our right to assembly. Today is a fight for the constitutional right, because what we witness is that law become an instrument of political suppression and political prosecution. It is very sad to witness the deterioration of the rule of law in Hong Kong into a rule by fear. And we also witness, apart from our case of right to march, Hong Kong people are also deprived of the freedom of speech, which was labeled as incitement. And also even, it's so absurd that even primary election was being labeled as subversion. So we see all this absurdity, but we call upon the people of Hong Kong to continue to fight for the rights and not to back down. And we will stand firm in the year of the ox for our rights and our freedom. Political prosecution.
No, no, no.
Political prosecution.
No, no, no.
Right to assembly.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right to assembly.
Yes, yes, yes.
咁最後咧，我哋係睇到其實人民嘅抗爭唔係淨係喺香港，全世界人民嘅怒火，為民主自由嘅怒火都係燃燒緊。咁我哋而家最後係舉起3隻手指，係支持緬甸人民嘅抗爭，係反對軍政府係剝奪人民嘅民主選舉嘅權利，推翻政變咗一個民選嘅政府。Free Myanmar!
Free Myanmar!
Free Myanmar!
Free Myanmar!
Free Aung San Suu Kyi!
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 釋放香港人！香港人！和平集會無罪，政治檢控開始，5大訴求，缺一不可。5大訴求，缺一不可。和平集會無罪，政治檢控開始。Same to political prosecution. Only fly on Wasangu. Five demand, non-violence. Five demand, non-violence.
今日我哋同你開練，嚴懲漢奸，重判所有走狗，重判黎智英，終身監禁。今日我哋同你開練。嚴懲所有漢奸走狗，嚴懲漢奸。